Hey guesser, can you find out the odd emoji? In this quiz game, you will get 10 second time to guess and you will get 10 point for per correct answer. So without any delay, let's start the video. Take a good look at the emojis and tell me which emoji is odd here. If you have found the wrong emoji here, please like this video. There is one emoji that's not like the others. Can you find it? Excellent job, you found out the odd emoji. How good are your eyes to find out the odd emoji among them? If you got the wrong emoji here, please subscribe our channel. Tell me which emoji is different here. You are correct, the odd emoji is right here. This level is a little bit of challenging. Can you find out the odd emoji? Well done, you found it. Can you find out the odd emoji that does not belong here? Yes, you got it. The odd one is right here. Which emoji is different from others? Spot the odd one out. You are doing well. This one is odd. Which emoji is different from others? Spot the odd one out. Well done, this one is different. Let's try to find out the odd here. Great job, you found out the odd emoji. Only the most observant people will be able to find out the odd emoji in this level. Can I find out the odd emoji? Good job, it's quite different from others. This one is might be trickier. Can you find out the odd emoji? Well done, this one is odd. You are doing great so far. Can you find the one emoji that's different in this level? Perfect, the odd emoji is right here. Now tell me which emoji is different here. Well done, the odd one is right here. Do you see the odd here? This one is different among all of them. Let's see how good are your eyes for detail it. Can you find the emoji that's out of place? Good job, it's quite different from others. Let's find out the emoji that does not belong. You are correct, the odd emoji is right here. You are doing quite well. Keep going, I know you can easily find out the odd emoji. Great job, the odd emoji is right here. Which emoji is different from others? Spot the odd one out. Great job, this one is different from the rest. Only the most observant people will be able to find out the odd emoji in this level. Can I find out the odd emoji? Yes, you did it. The odd one is right here. Now let's see how good are your eyes for detail it. Can you find out the emoji that's out of place? This one is not like the others, so this is the odd. Let's find out the emoji that's different from the rest. Well done, you found it. Do you see which emoji is odd here? Well done, this one is different from the rest. There is an emoji that's different from others. Can you find it? Great job, odd one is right here. Let's try to find out the odd emoji here. Yes, you got the odd emoji. Do you see which emoji is odd among them? Well done, you found it. This is our last level. Here, this one is odd. Today you played really well. Don't forget to share your points with us. And of course, subscribe our channel for more interesting quiz and puzzles.